Let's see how to make capital and small letters through a shortcut key in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to manually change your selected words into capital or small letters, first let's go ahead and highlight our word. Let's highlight the words Microsoft Word right there. Now, if you want to change the case of those words, we can click on this icon right here, which has a capital A and a lowercase a. And from there, we can choose to have it either in a sentence case, in lowercase, in complete uppercase, or we can capitalize the start of each word, or we can have it in reverse case. Now, to cycle through all of those, a shortcut that we can use is by clicking Shift and F3 on our keyboard. And so what that will look like is something like this. We will go through either the normal case that we originally had, the capital case, or we can change it to lowercase. And that is how you can make capital and small letters through a shortcut key in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.